Welcome back guys. Sa video ito ay isa-isahin natin ang presyo ng Honda motorcycle dito sa Pilipinas. Let's go! Disclaimer po, ang presyo ay maaaring magbago depende sa dealer ng motorsiklo. Ito ay magsisilbing guide lamang para sa iyo. Honda Beat Premium SRP 70,400, down payment 4,000. Honda Beat SRP 66,900, down payment 4,000. Honda FiNo SRP 72,900, down payment 5,000. Honda Click 125i SRP 76,900, down payment 6,500. Honda Airblade 150 SRP 109,000, down payment 17,000. Honda PCX 160 SRP 150,900, down payment 17,000. Honda PCX 160 abs, SRP 133,900, down payment 17,000. Honda Click 150i SRP 98,900, down payment 11,000. Honda Wave 110 Alpha SRP 47,700, down payment 2,500. Honda Wave 110R Disc Brake SRP 63,900, down payment 3,200. Honda Wave 110 Drum Brake SRP 56,900, down payment 3,000. Honda RS 125 Fi SRP 72,900, down payment 5,000. Honda RS 150R SRP 96,000, 4 pesos, down payment 10,000. Honda TMX 125 Alpha SRP 51,400, down payment 1,200. Honda Demia Supremo 3rd Generation SRP 73,400, down payment 4,500. Honda XRM 125 DS SRP 67,900, down payment 3,300. Honda XRM 125 DSX SRP 71,400, down payment 5,000. Honda XRM 125 Motard SRP 73,600, down payment 5,000. Honda Supra GTR 150 SRP 102,900, down payment 14,000. Honda ADV 150 Abs SRP 149,000, down payment 20,000. Honda CBR 150R SRP 152,900, down payment 40,000. Honda CBR 150R Repsol Abs SRP 165,000, down payment 25,500. Honda CRF 150L SRP 135,900, down payment 25,000. Honda XR 150L SRP 89,900, down payment 16,900. Honda CRF 300L SRP 259,900, down payment 53,000. Honda CRF 300 Rally SRP 300,000, down payment 50,000.